Hello, my name is Chef Sumit Pant, and with me I have Suzanne, a first year student, and we're going to do a dish which is known as Poisson a la Meuniere. Now, Meuniere is a dish which was invented in Lombardy region of France, has a little history to it. The dish was made by Meuniere, a windmill person who used to grind flour, and this was presented to King Louis XIV, and he happened to love the dish a lot. And since then it has been named as Meuniere. Suzanne will take us forward today in explaining us how to make fish meuniere.
Hi everybody, my name is Suzanne and I'm from first year from BCIHM College. So today we are going to make fish meuniere, and for the following ingredients we have. Here we have the fish fillet, lemon, chopped parsley, some butter, salt, white pepper and some flour. So now we are going to season this fish with salt and pepper. So now I'm going to pass this seasoned fish in the seasoned flour. So as you can see, this dish is very simple. Firstly, we have to take fish, cover it in the seasoned flour, and now we will take in a frying pan, we will take olive oil, add some butter and then fry our fishes. For adding the olive oil, we added olive oil in this because so that we can prevent the butters from burning. So now we will add our butter in it. Now we will add our fish in it. We can also use this butter and oil to make the sauce for seasoning the fish. We have to be careful while putting the fish. We have to put the skin side first on the fish so that it can make the base of the fish. Now also while cooking the fish, we will cook it on a very low flame and not touch it and let it cook for nicely. Cooking the fish, we need to be very careful about the size of the fish. Every size of the fish depends upon this cooking time. For this size of the fish, for approximately 2 minutes are enough to cook each side. Now it's been 2 minutes since our cook is getting cooked. Our fish is getting cooked, and you can see the butter around the fish is getting a nice brown color. Now we will flip our fish. As you can see, the fish has been taken nice brown color, and it seems very crisp in texture. For 2 more minutes now we will let the fish get cooked, and then it's ready to serve. The fish has been cooked now, it's time to take it out. Now our butter is ready, we'll add our parsley in it. And some lemon juice, and give it a nice whisk. As you can see, our sauce is ready. Now we'll add this sauce on the top of our fish. Now we'll add our sauce on top of the fish. And now on the top of it, I'll add a parsley. And here is my fish meuniere ready.